Here we are again, back with another repair video. All right, so we're gonna do this simple repair, and y'all may wonder why this is so expensive to get done. Okay, and the repair we're talking about is replacing these things right here. Now these are about $30 a piece, so that's already expensive in itself. But then once y'all see the process, it should make sense. All right, guys, I had to go to lunch real quick, but we're gonna tear into this Versa, and I'm trying to sell some other stuff. It has a timing cover leak, and it has control arm bushings are just ruptured all the way through. So trying to get that sold at the same time while the advisor's working the quote. I'm gonna do this, that way hopefully I at least have the plugs in, because if I do the timing cover, it's overlap. I don't want to have to charge the customer again. Okay, I'm trying to save them a little bit of money since I'm going to be halfway to doing the timing cover. So let's just get straight to it.
Sipping on the lean, everywhere clean. 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 Sipping on the lean, everywhere clean.
Alrighty guys, so for now I have to stop. I need to wait to see if anything else is gonna sell. That's gonna require me to take that intake back off. Okay. So as far as this right now is concerned, this may be the end of the video. If y'all still see a lot of minutes left, that means it's not the end, alright? So as I was freaking hoping that happened, stay tuned.